Hey agents, this is Luis Moreno with Insurance Agent Training. If you guys don't have a CRM, or even if you do, but if you're not using Agent CRM, this is the CRM that is built for insurance agents. I'm going to share a bunch of details with you about Agent CRM. I'm going to share a seminar that Alex Branning, the CEO of Agent CRM, is hosting this Monday about reviving your dead leads that you have. Okay, I'm going to share that information. I'm also going to share what I do with Agent CRM. But before I do that, do me a favor, guys. Comment down below, like this video so it gets exposed to more agents. And if you're a subscriber, thank you. And if you're not, please subscribe to the channel. All right, so let's talk about this seminar. And then I'm going to talk about the details of Agent CRM. And the details to the seminar, guys, here's what I'm going to do. Down below, I'm going to post the link for the seminar that Alex is hosting. So here is the information on the seminar that Alex is hosting. Reviving your dead leads. And remember, you're still wondering who Alex is? He's the CEO of Agent CRM, a CRM that is built for insurance agents. Here's a couple of things. Let me tell you this before I get into this. Guys, I'm going to share my affiliate link. This is the link that if you want to get Agent CRM, I want you to use. Also, with this link, guys, not only will you get everything that Alex provides for people that join Agent CRM, all of the branding bundles, the support, everything that they have, you get. But when you use my link, you're also going to be getting all of the assets that I have created, all of the workflows that I use in my agency for auto insurance, home insurance, life insurance, and I'm leaving in a couple of days to $1 Million Roundtable. This is a life insurance industry award for selling X amount, almost 100 and something $1,000 of commission of life insurance, all because we use Agent CRM. Okay, we use the workflows inside of it. Also, I use Agent CRM for my ACA business and my Medicare business, every line of business that my agency sells. So what Alex is going to be doing, guys, is he's going to be hosting a seminar. Okay, this seminar is Revive Your Dead Leads. So I am going to be on this seminar. Here's what happens, guys. I have a whole bunch of leads. I have social media leads that I have bought. I've ran ads on social media. These people request information. I never get a hold of them. They're dead. Well, now we're going to have a workshop that's going to show us how to revive them. All right. So here's what you do. Guys, join the workshop now. Okay. It's 2 days away. Okay. So you may want to get you may want to purchase these immediately. Here's what they're going to do. It's a 3-step blueprint that he's going to put together for you guys to revive them. Guys, the cost for this is $37. It's not free, but it's cheap. I will just tell you this. If I go take one of my kids and I want to go eat a Chick-fil-A, I'm going to spend more than $37. Guys, you'll get your ROI back if you utilize the systems that Alex is going to teach you. So get in here, guys. Come join him and see what he's got to offer. I'm sure he's going to I'm hoping he puts out some incredible workflows that we can utilize to revive these dead leads. We're just going to wait and see. So it'll be super, super cool. There is a deadline here. 2 days, 23 hours, 2 minutes and 4 seconds for you to come and watch this seminar that he's going to be putting together. Guys, here's another thing. If you're wondering, well, Luis, tell me a little bit more about why I need the CRM. The CRM is a communicator. It communicates between me and any contact. Now, a lot of the communication that happens is I'll have clients that will email, text, or even call my phone number on the CRM. Okay, but the majority of my clients, and if you haven't come to realize this, guys, is about 75% of my clients love to communicate via text. So my entire agency, me and my 12 staff are using the CRM to text our clients. The beauty of it is it's all timestamped and all recorded in that specific contact. It's really, really cool. I also have some automations built out for ACA, Medicare, auto, home, and life insurance. And an automation is like a series, it's like a job with a series of actions that happen all, whatever, different amount of days, like an email, a text, a ringless voicemail. There's some actions that I have created. Some of the workflows that I've created are a turning 64 and a half workflow that I use to find new people or people that are going to be new to Medicare. And I want to get them at 64 and a half. Okay, because then I can groom them and get them ready and make sure they don't talk to any other agents or enroll directly. Okay, I have workflows, and let's just say we talk about Medicare. I have nurturing workflows when you renew somebody. I have post-enrollment workflows. I have a AEP workflow. When we're talking about ACA, I have the very same type of workflows for that. I mean, I'm loaded up with workflows. And guys, I built them out with the new tools that Agent CRM has. Guys, there's a lot of CRMs out there. Okay. I exclusively use Agent CRM, and I think I'm going on maybe 4 or 5 years. And we just, it's one of those tools that we just can't live without. It's a measly $97 a month. Guys, if you look at that as an expense, it's crazy, okay? Because the ROI from that is way off the charts for me. Okay, just got to learn how to use it. And they've got some great tools, great videos that show you how to use Agent CRM. All right, so come join Alex this coming Monday. Okay, the 3 days from now, he's going to be hosting this seminar on reviving the dead leads. Guys, I will post the link, 2 links down below. One of them is going to be for the Revive Dead Leads. The second one is going to be my affiliate link if you want to get Agent CRM. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.